Good evening, everybody. I begin in the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and the most merciful. My dear respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear lovely friends, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Emrish Hamim Reza. Hope you are all doing well. Today is a very special and emotional day for us. First of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher, Mr. Rahat sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity today, and thanks to my teacher for inviting me to the stage. 3 months ago, I could not speaking English confidently. I was afraid of speaking English. I made many mistakes, but now I feel more confident. I can speak better than. It is the best places for learning English quickly. I am a student myself, and I can say that when I came here, I could not speaking a single word. But now I can speaking English. I am the best example for their success. In this journey, we learned many things: new vocabulary, correct pronunciation, basic grammar, and how to speak confidently. All our teachers were very caring, friendly, caring, and always motivated us like true mentors. Now, after 3 months, we can speaking English with courage, confidence, courage, and joy. These 3 months, not only English, but also discipline, friendships, and life-changing lessons. Today, as we say farewell, our hearts full of gratitude, love, and motivation for the future. Thank you so much to Rahat sir, all teachers and friends for everything. Thank you for listening to me.